Just simple, not too in your face ways. I don't really know if that sentence made sense, but they're simple and not so in your face ways. I said the same thing over and over again. Hello my fashion friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to sparkle in the daytime. That's right, you can wear bling bling, sequins, shiny stuff in the daytime. It's all about creating the right amount of balance. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so like I was saying, the goal is to create balance. Normally when you think of bling, sequins, glitter, sparkles, rhinestones, you always think about some kind of nighttime event, a party, a club, something that's going on in the nighttime. So if you want to bring that into daytime, you definitely want to try to tone it down. So I'm doing that with this outfit here. I have the blazer. Of course, you guys know the blazer is the sparkle piece of this outfit, but I've toned it completely down by using the neutral gray and a nice printed graphic t-shirt. It's really kind of a comical t-shirt, so it brings the outfit down a little bit. So anyway, let's talk about the blazer. This is a really nice blazer. It has the rhinestones on the lapels as well as the sleeves here. So when you move about, it really has some nice reflective qualities on there. So I really like it. It's really different. So this is definitely the blingage of the outfit. I also like this because although the lapels and the sleeves do have the nice rhinestones on them, the rhinestones are not so sparkly, they're not too in your face, and so I wanted to just kind of tone that down by making the rest of the outfit completely neutral, basic, and casual. So as you can see, I have a casual t-shirt and I paired it with some really nice casual gray skinny jeans. So as you can tell, the outfit does look sparkly because of the blazer, but it's still toned down and it's wearable for daytime. So that's the key, creating that balance and toning the sparkle down so that you can still wear it in the daytime. Okay, so once again, we're trying to create balance, and so since the top half of this outfit has the blingage, the shiny part of it, the bottom half is going to remain neutral just to balance everything out. If I had this top on with, you know, a sequin skirt or some sequin pants or some bedazzled pants or something, that would be cute, but that would look more like something for the stage or something for some kind of nighttime event. So obviously the top half of the outfit is the blingy part of the outfit. I have a nice gold kind of blingy shiny top. It kind of has that chainmail mesh material here. It's a really cute top. It's cropped and it kind of is I guess sweater length, 3/4 length sleeves. I really like it, and so I wanted to tone it down by pairing it with my high-waisted jeans here. As you guys can see, I probably would just throw on some nice flip-flops with this, or some really cool gladiator sandals with this, just something to keep it uber casual. Maybe if it was colder, I may throw a blazer on over this, or some kind of maybe a leather jacket over this, but I just wanted to let you guys know that it was all about creating balance. If the top half has the blingy, you might want to tone down the bottom half, and if the bottom half has the sparkle and shine, then just go ahead and tone down the top half of the outfit. So anyway, so here's just another example of that. And it's really easy, something simple. It doesn't have to be too complicated. So yeah. Or if you don't have any sparkly or blingy clothes in your wardrobe, you can still pull off the sparkly look in the daytime using your accessories. So here I have some of my sparkly accessories. Right now I just have my casual gray and black striped midi dress. Bodycon, I definitely wear these on the daytime, like on Saturdays if I'm just going shopping, or I'm going to brunch with my girlfriends or something. I would just throw this on really quickly and slip on one of these. So these are, y'all have seen this before, just some blingy, sparkly flip-flop sandals, nothing much to them. They're very simple, but they do have the gold on them, which makes it look a little bit more dressy. and sparkly. I'm dropping my shoes here. But yeah, so simply just incorporate something like this can also work as well to get that sparkle in the daytime look. These definitely have the sparkle aspect to them, but because they are sandals and flip-flops, it definitely makes it more toned down and casual. Or you can simply incorporate your jewelry accessories into your look as well to get that blingy look in the daytime. You guys watch my videos all the time and you see I always have my Michael Kors wristwatch on in a gold color, and my bracelets as well. I love wearing these too. They're very simple and they're not in your face. Great ways to add that blingage factor to your outfits without doing too much, and it's not over the top. I always have some earrings on as well. I have these long dangly ones on today. You could say these are nighttime earrings, but I would wear this in the daytime as well. I love my classic hoops. And then on my neck, I just have kind of a two-tiered layered necklace here. Really dainty and simple and really girly. I love just everything put together. Now this is a lot of jewelry actually. You got the bracelet and the watch, you've got the necklace, you've got the earrings. So it is quite a bit of jewelry, but because the jewelry is dainty, it doesn't look excessive and in your face, especially because a lot of times my hair covers the earrings anyway, and even if it doesn't, I still think this is a really nice classy look. And then my arms are normally down here, so they're far enough away from up here to where it doesn't look like it's too much in your face. But for me, I probably would take one of these pieces off. It might be the necklace I'll take off, or the bracelet or the watch. I'd probably take one of them off, but I just want to do this to show you that even if you don't have any sparkly clothes or blingage or rhinestone as far as your clothes are concerned, you can still incorporate that blingy sparkly look in the daytime using your accessories. So hopefully that makes it a lot easier for you guys. I know a lot of you guys were worried about, well, how do I wear sparkles in the daytime? Well, this is how you do it. Simply create that balance and you should be good to go. All right, you guys, well, that does it for this video. Hopefully you guys got some great inspiration on how to sparkle in the daytime without doing too much. If you found that you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I sure would love to have you join my fashion family. I do a lot of fashion and styling videos on this channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell so that you are notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, please come back in a timely fashion.